Assalamu alaikum. Today it is me, Zamir Ahmed Shah, teacher, UPS Dogiyan Zone Chumkot. Dear student, hope you all are fine and doing good. Today we will discuss the parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. Date 2nd of May 2020. Class 8th. Subject English Grammar. Topic Parts of speech. Parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. Noun, ism. Second, pronoun, ism ज़मीर. Third, verb, फेल. Fourth, adjective, सिफत. Adverb, मुतल्लिक फेल. Preposition और हरूफ रब्बत और या हरूफ जार. Conjunction, हरूफ मुतल्लिक. Interjection, हरूफ फजाइया. Now we will explain them one by one. Noun. Noun is a naming word. Example: pen, house, book, teacher, student, etc. Dear student, you can also explain noun as the name of person, place or things. Second, pronoun. Pronoun is used just instead of noun. Example: this, that, he, she, we, etc. We will also explain this pronoun in another manner. That is, pronoun is used instead of noun. Number 3, verb. A verb is a word that shows some action. Example: study, think, prepare, realize, etc. We will also understand verb as showing action in different ways. Fourth, adjective. An adjective describes a noun or pronoun. Example: tall, thin, red, beautiful, sweet, etc. We will explain adjective as adding meaning of noun or pronoun. Number 5, adverb. An adverb is a word used to tell more about a verb. Example: sometimes, early, soon, etc. Adverb is also used to add the meaning of verb. Number 6, preposition. A preposition is used before a noun or pronoun to show place, direction in a sentence. Example: at, in, on, from, etc. This is used before noun or pronoun to indicate the position. Number 7, conjunction. Conjunction join words or groups of words in a sentence. Example: so, until, because, yet, therefore, etc. We will explain conjunction as a word which join the first one with the another one. Number 8, interjection. Interjection express strong emotion and are often followed by an exclamation point. Example: hurrah, alas, etc. Interjection shows the sorrowness or happiness. All depends on the situation.